Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to complete tax 1, our visualization for tax 1. So to do that, we just add another page. So add another page. Then the first thing we have to show is to show by gender. So let's use a donut chart to show that. Okay. So our customer count, then dimension by gender. Should be here. Okay, nice done. So the other one is to show show our data by age band. So we can use, so showing a relationship, we can use clustered bar chart, count of customers, so by age. So we have our age band here. Our kids, youth, adult. Yeah. So what other chart? We are showing by deposit band. So you can still use an identical chart. Just copy this same chart, and we are showing by balance. That is deposit band. So this is deposit band right here. So take off age band and just click in deposit band. All right. This didn't quite sort well as the age band did. So we can go to our chart options. So let's sort by deposit band. Let's see that. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have these 3 nice charts here. Let's see if we can move some charts here to, so that we can have, let's see. Okay. Let's say we move the churned customers. Let's move this churned customers. I'm going to cut it, Control X. I'm just going to paste it here. Can have more data on this page. Okay. Can extend this chart a bit. Just to make it bigger. Can also extend this. Upwards as well. So this just gives us a sense of what our data looks like. So also here we can just show some cards that just gives us a sense of, so I can highlight all these charts at once, then I can move. Yeah. So let me just show like 2 cards here that gives us the total number of customers and the total balance. So the total number of customers. So I duplicate this chart, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I put so instead of, I can create a measure so that just shows my balances. So new measure, we'll call the new measure total deposit. So which is equal to sum of customer C balance amount. So that will give me my total deposit. I'll take this off and bring in my total deposit. So I want to just still do another parameter. So we have been using sum. Let's just use a divide here, which is like deposit per account or something, or deposit per customer. New measure. I do deposit per customer. That will be equal to total deposit, or I can use divide. So there are different ways of using division. So I use total deposit slash, total deposit slash number of customers. So it functions the same way as the other method. So I'll duplicate this as well. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, same thing. So I just put that particular deposit by customer measure in there. So let me take total deposit off, deposit by customer. So 54,000 per customer. So I can highlight these three cards, adjust downwards a bit. I can align and distribute vertically. So I'll go to my format. So I can align left. Then I can distribute vertically, just to get that benefit of equal spacing. So that is it. I can take customer dashboard. So just place it here instead of having to type it again. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of tax 1. But before then, let's quickly see what is not right with these charts. So these names, I can't quite see them very well. So there are two ways of doing this, of getting to see. Continue expanding the chart in case there is no space to actually expand this chart further. So what you can do is to come to format here. This looks like a paintbrush. Format, go to your y-axis, which is this y-axis. Then you go to your maximum size, you increase this until you get to a desired point when you see this data clearly. You can do the same for this as well. Increase from 25 until you see your category clearly. Yeah. You can just do that all across the charts. So that will be all for tax 1 and for this lesson. So see you in tax 2.